Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time visiting, my name is Iamdanafene, and in this channel, I like to show you guys how you can live low waste and eco-friendly using a lot of simple things that you already have in your home. In today's episode, we are talking about springtime, and we are talking about keeping your home pest-free from spiders and ants. If you want to hear more, keep watching. All right, so to start this recipe, you're going to ideally need a glass bottle because we're going to be working with some essential oils. If you don't have a glass bottle, repurpose whatever you have. It's just fine. However, glass actually will help to hold the essential oils a lot better than plastic. Now, the next ingredient you're going to need is 2 cups of ideally distilled water or filtered water if you have it. So distilled water. And then the last couple of things we're going to need are essential oils. So we're going to use some eucalyptus oil. We're going to add either lemon or lime essential oil if you have some. Be careful not to use lemon or lime around pets. I believe dogs are okay. I don't have pets, so double check. But I think lemon and lime is not okay around cats. So just double check that and omit it if you need to. And then we're gonna add the powerhouse. This baby is peppermint. So if you have nothing else, okay, even if you don't have the eucalyptus or the citrus oils, at minimum, you're gonna need peppermint oil because this is what is going to really do it. Spiders and ants cannot stand peppermint oil. So we are gonna add a lot of that. Now, to make this, it's pretty straightforward. What you're going to do is add 15 drops of each oil. So I'm starting with the peppermint. And then I'm going to add, I'm adding lemon because I don't have pets, okay? So I'm definitely adding the lemon, but like I said, if you have pets, you want to omit the citrus oil part of this. And then I'm adding the eucalyptus. Okay. And then you're just going to funnel it through your jar. I'm working with one of these collapsible funnels, and sometimes it goes a little slow. Okay, there we go. Look at that, perfect, okay? That's the perfect amount. You're gonna put your top on and you are ready to rock and roll. It is literally that simple, y'all know. If you are a current follower, you know how I like to keep it simple, okay? So there you go. Now, let me show you how to use it. So what you want to do is spray it in any area where you might have spiders or ants that try to come in. My first area is always around the doorways, corners of the room that might not see a lot of love but tend to get a lot of spiders. All right, so I think you get the gist, right? You basically want to take the spray and spray it in all of the areas of your home where spiders and insects like to come in. Always around windows, always around, doorways, underneath furniture, behind the bed, those quiet places where they like to hide. Now, a couple of tips I will say is I like to make my spray and use it in very small batches, which is why I like to use distilled water. That way it doesn't sit and build up bacteria. So make it and use it as you need. Another thing that you could also do once the weather is warmer, depending on where you live, is you can also make this spray and use it around your home as well too, like outside on the doorways. Get underneath the foundations. If you haven't already done your spring cleaning and your spring home prep and started caulking all of those little entryways where pests can get in, go ahead and give a little spray and you'll find that actually helps to deter them as well. So I hope you found this tip helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, hit that notification and subscribe bell. That way you never miss when I upload a new video each and every week. Take care.